And it's a very rare thing when a young person and a very old person can become friends.
What? Old?
So what you guys just saw me doing over there was saying a little prayer. Before I leave this house, I always make sure I say a prayer. I give my thanks to the universe for always guiding me, protecting me, and helping me do what I do every single day. Now, I'm not trying to convert anyone. I'm not trying to tell people this is what you have to do, but this is what I do on a daily basis. And I love it. I feel good about myself, and honestly, I like to think of myself as somewhat a spiritual person. I'm not trying to say I'm better than anybody, but this is me and this is what I do. Yummy. Alrighty guys, so that was just a little clip of my morning routine and what really goes into it. Occasionally, I try to exercise also in the morning, but off lately I haven't been because it's really, really cold outside. Sometimes I get in the garage and I hit my punching bag a few times, lift some weights here and there. I'm really trying to get back into shape and eat right. But anyway, with all that put to the side, today I don't know what we're gonna do because today is supposed to be the day where I'm supposedly supposed to get the engine block and head back from the machine shop, as well as get the final 2 missing parts from Toyota. Now, knowing me, I probably didn't get every part that I need because that's just how I roll. For some reason, I always forget something and then I have to go order it and it takes a little bit longer. And I already thought of a few things that I already forgot. But we are going to give Headmasters a call and see if they possibly have this engine ready. So give me 1 second.
Thank you for calling Headmasters. This is Stephanie speaking. How can I help you?
Hey Stephanie, what's going on?
Nothing much. How are you?
I'm good. How you doing?
Pretty good.
Awesome. So how's the head looking? How's the block looking?
Good, good. I actually was just checking with Caro to make sure that we're looking good for end of this week, which he said we are still on track for.
Okay, so
came in and they're working on it, so
okay,
yeah, we're still good for end of this week for completion.
Okay, so probably tomorrow then?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. And so what are you guys gonna do? You're just gonna install the piston heads on the rods and install the rings on it for me?
Oh, that's right. Usually you'd like us to put the pistons on the rods, right?
Right. Yeah. Because I don't have the press to press out the pins.
That's right. Yeah, of course, I can definitely do that. It's just the only thing is it is an additional cost. I completely wasn't even thinking. It's the $10 per piston. It's like $40.
Okay. All right. And
but yeah, I'll have them do that, of course.
And Leon's gonna put the rings on the pistons for me, right?
Yeah, I'll have them do that for you.
Okay.
No
Yeah.
problem.
That's all. Other than that, I'll assemble the block and everything myself.
Beautiful.
Right. So you're gonna and then you're just gonna hand me over the bearings that Yeah. Okay. Cool.
I have everything set aside in a box for you.
The head is all
the other stuff.
The head is all torqued with the cams and stuff.
Oh yes. The head's all wrapped up, and I think they do a valve adjustment on it too.
Okay. Awesome. All right.
Yeah. So that's good too.
Okay. Awesome then. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Alrighty. Bye.
Alright. Bye-bye.
So yeah, you guys heard that. So apparently tomorrow everything will be ready. I guess I can go by Toyota, check in for a little bit and see if maybe they have the remainder of the parts left. And I don't know if y'all want to come along with me. I can take you guys along with me to Toyota. I don't want to bring y'all inside the dealership because they have issues with people filming, and I just don't know why. They're very weird like that. But I will head over to Toyota. I guess bring y'all for the ride, and maybe we'll stop off and meet some friends along the way. So I'll see you soon. What's going on, guys? So your boy just came back from the Adidas store. What am I doing here? I decided to take a quick pit stop over here because I decided to get myself healthy and I'm gonna start to run again. And for the record, because I'm saying it here right now, I'm gonna try to run every single day and get myself back into shape like I used to in my older videos. So hopefully you all start seeing a change in my body throughout my daily videos, and this will be awesome. Now that it's out there and on the record, I have no choice but to commit to what I just said. So wish me luck. Alrighty guys, so we finished what we had to do today. Toyota didn't have any of the parts, so I ended up coming and meeting my friend Peter. You all have been asking me about him for a while, and here he is. We just came from BMW looking for some parts.
Hi guys.
He's a little camera shy. He's the one who did the avalanche, if you guys can remember. The talented body guy. He challenges any body guy. That he basically is putting out a challenge there, saying that he can outperform any body man in America. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, of course. That's
So you guys heard it here first. Any one of y'all who want to challenge Peter to a body repair contest, you know where he can be found at. You had nothing to say?
no. You talk at you.
Yeah, but you. All right, let me ask. What was your first thought of me when you first met me?
Don't tax my brains. Let me go back and think. When I first met you. That's what the first time I met you was with the avalanche, right?
Yeah, the very first time you met me was with the avalanche.
Right. When you brought that job. No, I didn't think of nothing. I just.
You thought I was weird. You thought I was cool. You thought.
No. It was cool because I was very interested in like bringing back that van, you know.
Yeah.
Getting rid of those rust, making it. You know, want to know if it's gonna happen, and I know it's 1, 2, 3 done. So
Yeah.
So I give you the build your confidence and tell you no problem.
Okay.
We
Okay.
done.
Okay. You know, it's been 3 years since I made that video. So 3 years that started off this friendship, and it's a very rare thing when a young person and a very old person can become friends.
What? Old? I mean, that's some age, but
Right, he's not that old, but he's kind of old. How old are you?
come on.
60.
No. 51.
He's 51. That's young. 51 years young, and I'm 28, almost at 30, almost at my dirty 30.
Oh my.
Oh my god. All right, guys. So we are heading back to the shop, and then you are gonna meet one more person who is doing some cool jobs right now as we speak. So we'll get there in a moment. Guys, I don't know what to say. What this episode was about. It was supposedly somewhat about me to fix yesterday's episode, but then it turned out to be a weird thing, and it was supposed to be me getting parts, which turned out to not get parts because they didn't get it. It was supposed to turn out for me getting my engine, which I couldn't get until tomorrow. So I am sorry for what this turned out to be. It's just gonna basically be clips thrown together, and whatever it produces, that's what y'all gonna get from me today. I think the most important takeaway that you got from this video was to brush your teeth in the morning. Like, I don't know what to say, and for that I apologize. I wish it could have been more exciting, but making daily videos is kind of difficult, but I am trying and I'm not giving up so easy. So we're just gonna cut this here, and with that being said, peace out. Thank you all for watching this extremely weird episode, and I'll see you all later.